we want to hear about homeopathy, future medicine. In my country, in Bangladesh, 40% people are use homeopathy, and most of them are women. So I am working for women's health. I am personally, I am Dr. Niamatullah. I completed my bachelor in homeopathy, and this is I am a second generation of homeopathy. My father was the homeopath doctor, and I am trying to in my country expand homeopathy in rural area. This is the wonderful collaboration by Bioquantum Academy to introduce everybody. So I hope it will be a great opportunity and energetic program. And here a lot of candidates are here, and all are welcome. Dr. Christina, Dr. Faisal Gara, Dr. Maria, and Hidar Alice, and Dr. Tara, Protomi, Ohiani, Caroline, and David. Wow, everybody are welcome. Dr. Benny and Dr. Caroline,